welcome back to Once Upon DIY. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know from the sneak peek that I am doing another painting video. This week I'm going to be painting this. It apparently had sour gummy lips in it. I don't know, it's Valentine's Day. And I'm going to be giving it a little makeover. It's similar to the water bottle makeovers. Go check those out and make sure to follow me on Instagram. Start out by painting this white as a base coat. Okay, so I just finished the first coat. I did paint the top because I didn't want to say sour gummy lips. Just sounds weird. But I am going to do the second coat because it's still kind of showing through. I did wipe off the top because the paint started peeling, but it is fine now. So I did the top, but since the rest of it's dry, I'm gonna start painting it. Yeah. I'm thinking of doing I think I might paint it gray. Just the gray. The whole thing gray, and then I'm thinking of do polka dots. I don't really know. So much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoyed this makeover. And if you're wondering what happened to my paints and what's in here, then ta-da! All my paints are in here.